Okay, welcome to my unboxing video of Watch Gang, my first watch in the black tier. I've only got a couple of watches. I've always been an enthusiast, but only a couple from prior years. This Wenger Swiss Army, and I also have a Citizen Echo Drive that was gifted to me by my wife. So that being said, I wanted to add a few more watches to my collection, but I didn't want to do the monthly subscription. Seemed like a little much and a little bit out of my price range, so I opted for the $99 black tier quarterly. That way I'm not adding too many watches and not spending too much. So I'll change that if for some reason some money comes into play, but otherwise stick with the quarterly for now and see what happens. So this is watch number 1, and I gotta say I was super excited at the weight. 3 pounds. Thing just feels heavy. So let's see what's inside. Okay, it's a Jerome Lamar's. That's why the weight. That is quite a heavy case. And let's see what's inside. Oh, look at that. That's nice. White face, it's an automatic. A nice bracelet. That's a great first watch. Can't get that. Well, I can't get the plastic off, but I'll show you the mechanism. Rotating bezel. And Lumineer. See if I can find the switch. Oh, only a couple showing up so far. Needs some more light. All right. Look at that. That's a great first watch. All right, I got the plastic off, and then there's the swing tag with the MSRP, $795, well above the $99. And there's what it looks like on. So I will be back with my next watch, I guess in about 3 months, unless for some reason something changes and I switch to the monthly plan. But for now, black tier quarterly, it's working for me. Look at that, great first watch, Jerome Lamar's.